our principal ma'am, Mrs. Ruby Chandel, HM ma'am, Mrs. Parul Sardana, teachers and all present here. I am Harshit from grade 3rd B and today we the students of grade 3rd are going to present a special assembly on the occasion of the Shera. The Shera is also called Vijayadashmi and is celebrated as victory of goddess Durga over the demon Mahishasura. The main message that it gives is victory of good over evil and success of truth over lies. So, let's start with Gayatri Mantra. So, I would like to invite Sachin Agar from grade 3rd A for Gayatri Mantra.
Join your hands, close your eyes, get ready for prayer. Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tassanviturvareniyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodaya Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tassanviturvareniyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodaya Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tassanviturvareniyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodaya Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Thank you, Sachi. Now we hear Yuvika Rastogi from grade 3rd B for Saraswati Vandana.
Ya Kundendu Tushar Dhavala Ya Shubhra Vastravrita Ya Veena Vardand Mandit Kara Ya Shvet Padmasana Ya Brahma Chit Shankar Prabhudivin Devai Sada Vandita Samam Patu Saraswati Bhagavati Nishesha Radhyapaha. Dhanyavad.
Thank you, Yuvika. Now we have Umer Akhtar from grade 3rd B for prayer.
God's love is so wonderful. God's love is so wonderful. God's love is so wonderful. Oh, wonderful love. So high, you can't get over it. So deep, you can't get under it. So wide, you can't get around it. Oh, wonderful love. God's love is so wonderful. God's love is so wonderful. God's love is so wonderful. Oh, wonderful love. Thank you.
Thank you, Umer. Now I would like to invite Devan from grade 3rd A for thought of the day.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Devan Sharma from grade 3rd A. Today's thought is self-confidence is a superpower. Once you start to believe in yourself, miracles starts happening. I repeat my thought. Self-confidence is a superpower. Once you start to believe in yourself, miracles starts happening. Thank you.
Thank you, Devansh. Now we have Gurnur from grade 3rd A for speech.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Gurnu Hira. I am from grade 3A. Today I am going to tell few lines on the Shera. India is known as a land of festivals and celebration. The festival continues for 10 days and the Shera is the 10th day. Many of the Hindu festivals are related to great epics like Ramayana and Mahabharata, and the Shera is
one of the main ones. In fact, it is believed that the war between Ram and Ravan went on during these 10 days, and Ravan was killed by the hands of Ram on the 10th day. Dussehra is also called Vijayadashmi and is celebrated as victory of goddess Durga over the demon Mahishasur. In fact, the main message that is gives is victory of good over the evil and success of truth over lies. Thank you.
Thank you, Good Noon. The Dussehra celebration is incomplete without Ramayana. So now we have students of grade 3rd performing on Ramayana. I hope you all will love it.
उनकी आवाज कितनी मधुर है। हाँ, और कितनी कुशलता से वीणा भी बजा रहे हैं। हाँ, वे दोनों बड़े ही प्रतिभाशाली हैं। घर में नहीं थे जब लक्ष्मण, घर के साधु आया रावण। सीता से भिक्षा मांगी, सीता ने रेखा लांगी। फिर बेचारे कर रावण, सीता को ले गया करके हरण। राम और लक्ष्मण जब घर आए, सीता से घर का दीवार। सुन के बात जटायु की, निकले खोज में सीता की। साथ मिले कर लक्ष्मण को, ढूंढने निकले रावण को। रस्ते में हनुमान मिले और सुग्रीव मिले। सब मिलकर एक साथ हुए, वानर सेना लेके चले। सामने बड़ा समुंदर था, सेतु बनाया पत्थर का। करके पार महासागर, कर दी चढ़ाई लंका पर। राम ने अंत में युद्ध जीता, मिल गई उन्हें अपनी सीता। लौट के आए अपने नगर, फिर किया राज अयोध्या पर। सीता जी वनवास चली, थी ये इच्छा प्रजा की। राम की हुई फिर जय जयकार, सज गया फिर उनका दरबार। है ये कथा रामायण की, सीता राम और लक्ष्मण की। है ये कथा रामायण की, सीता राम और लक्ष्मण की।
I, Pahal Verma from Grade 3rd C, want to convey my heartfelt thanks to Principal Ma'am, HM Ma'am and all the teachers for their support and guidance for this virtual assembly. I would also like to thank my all friends who prepared wholeheartedly and made this virtual assembly possible. Thank you everyone. Have a great day ahead.